Shooting flames.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
Alright guys, nice and short today. Brother's been working on the fuel pump. Finally got back to record him doing it. Yeah, if you want to know how to do it, because it was retarded and we couldn't figure it out for a second, take the rod out. That's my hint.
You will know.
So,
As soon as you take the rod out of the work.
the old mechanical fuel pump, it pushes up and down on this sucker here. We weren't getting pressure that we know of. We weren't getting anything else out on the other side. The diaphragm wasn't working. So hopefully we can get the new one in, get it all tightened back up. We got new gaskets on it, and we'll see how it works. What the heck is that socket?
What?
Big old fatty socket. That's hilarious.
Yeah, buddy. That's how you gotta do it.
Swivel fatty though. Swivel
Yeah,
fatty.
that's what he has over there, and that's what I could find accessibly quick.
That's pretty good. The thing's plastic. I don't like that.
What is that?
The bottom thing.
Oh, that just sits in there?
Yeah. It's like, okay. It's probably plastic because it won't wear out the metal rod.
Well, we can come along.
Glitch the fuel to that point.
Right.
So hopefully it'll actually pump this time.
Oh, it will. It'll start right up. Almost. I'll prime the tire.
Well, I started earlier. Should have fuel in it. I poured like a cup down that little tube.
Really?
Yeah.
That's why it smells like that. Earlier, like when I got it.
It was awesome. All tightened down.
Yep. Ready to rock.
Filter.
This might
Okay.
need shortened a little bit.
Yeah, we'll have to fix that. I wanted to see what gets hot or not down here. Then we can
Fair.
tuck it. Alright guys, moment of truth. Let's see if the new fuel pump will let it run continually. That is the goal. Let me get in this thing. Oh my god. Okay. Let's do this.
Yep. Hey. Well, she runs continuously. Fuel pump did her. Don't die on you. Why'd you die?
Maybe we gotta. I'll start again. Might be all carb calibration stuff.
And it might, and also might be a bubble in the airline.
True.
You might have to pull it through.
So, turn the flashlight and watch the fuel filter. See if it's still on the.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean there's fuel in the obviously in the filter. try starting there. So nothing's coming through the fuel pump. So let's try the siphoner and see if we can pull some through.
What damaged the fuel pump? That's what I'm afraid of. To pull back in from this point again? Or maybe we need to pour fuel down in this hole.
Yeah, we can fill it up. Let's do that. I mean, it's not going to drip, nothing in it.
Make sure that lid's on. I don't know if it's tight.
Tighten up. Should have just taken it. Slowly still going there. Slowly leaking through it. That might be all we get. Won't let you pour it out. Sting it?
Milk cut me and then the fuel.
Oh, lovely.
It's like a combination, like wham bam.
Yeah.
Just priming fuel lines and carbs again. We'll see how it goes. I want to pull the vacuum again on that one.
Yeah.
Okay. I want to pull the vacuum on a new hose. Make sure we're getting fuel. We'll see how it goes from there. Hopefully it will start and run forever.
Close, but it's just not. It's definitely gonna come through and like a pull line. Go for it. Okay.
Oh, it's flowing good now. There was nothing there at the beginning.
Yeah.
I want it being mechanical. You never know. It might be that finicky. Left on with ya.
1 second. Yeah. All right, go for it. Shooting flames. Yeah.
I forgot that recorded.
Come on.
Okay guys, this is what we're doing. We saw this cool Volkswagen old school like 70s video with this little trick on this pin thing that's underneath the fuel pump. So we are going to do that to see if it's causing it to not pump fuel and seize. So we will give that a whirl and see what we can get. Try to leave the gasket on it. Don't rip. And then we'll take the pin back out again. All of them showed up being on the flat. Flat was up. Except my thing was maybe it was wore down enough. Don't know. Okay, so we sanded down the center. Hopefully that'll help. We'll try putting it back on and sealing it again and see if that does it. Alright, so we did a little trick. Put a little grease. We found out which size intake and not, and we're going to try to make this run again. Get more air bubbles out. Fill up the old fuel pump again with some fuel. Hopefully it will get it pumping for us. We can get her taken care of.
Alright, let's start her. Let's get her did. Scooter do's and scooter don'ts. Whirly do's and hooey scoots. Fart noodles.
Last try here.
Yep.
Okay guys, final countdown. Hopefully this is it. If not, this will be a sad, short episode of us changing out a crazy fuel pump, and we'll go from there. So let's see what happens.
So no bueno. It's not even one of this stuff. I dumped gas in her. Yeah.
Alright guys, we can't win them all. So if you know what else we should check, let us know. Please help these Volkswagen virgins, because we're trying to figure it out. And it's not happening right now. We just want to get it running so we can move it around easier. Then we can get working on body work. Yeah! New fuel lines in, new filter. So again, thanks for tuning in to this episode. Continue to follow along with this build. More to come from Wide Open Throttle. Again, if you know what's going on, please comment below.